Sorry.
It's okay. Why are you saying sorry, bro?
I can't stop laughing. This news demands sensitivity. Had few details not been part of it.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Radical Measures podcast, episode 22, episode number 22.
Yes.
And on this Shubh Muhurat of episode number 22, we are starting with the Maslow's pyramid.
What?
I think so.
Hey, I didn't come prepared with revision notes and all. What is this Maslow's pyramid?
No. Even I haven't revised. You'll see it soon enough.
You just took a random
Yes.
guy's name.
Yes.
But Maslow's pyramid about something
No.
about needs, no?
Yeah, exactly. So it's needs, basic needs.
Yeah.
Now, as a child, my basic needs started with top of the pyramid was chocolate, free time,
Yeah.
playing with friends, whatever.
Lack of marks on the flesh.
Yes.
That.
Yeah, that too. Lack of marks on the paper also.
No, the need was you needed marks.
Yeah, I didn't care, honestly. But the point is, it wasn't food, clothing, and shelter. Definitely not.
No.
And both of us, you're nearing 30. I've crossed over the threshold of 30.
Yeah.
And our parents, both of our parents, have, in varying degrees of clarification,
Yeah.
told us, तेरा घर क्या bro?
Huh.
ये
When
तो
will I not have you around?
हाँ.
When will I start resuming the life I wanted to live?
याद है तेरे को डिस्कवरी में वो बताया था वो बर्ड रहता है छोटू सा उड़ के
निकल
जाता है उड़ के जाना पड़ेगा
मैं तेरे को बड़ा किया लेकिन तू बड़ा हुआ नहीं अभी तक.
या फिर
What is this malfunction?
वो दूसरा वाला बर्ड याद है जिसका धक्का दे देता है बाहर वो टाइम आ जाएगा हाँ? घर नहीं लिया तो जल्दी
Oh yeah.
So, and it is a natural expectation of any parent. And at 30, you want your space also. You have been working for like maybe 3-5 years.
Yeah.
You've gotten a bit saving. शादी वादी का सोच रहा है. You're planning on getting a house.
True.
Shelter is a very big. घर कपड़ा मकान dude.
Very important.
नहीं घर कपड़ा मैं मकान
रोटी
दो बार
कपड़ा.
बोला देख.
रोटी
Exactly.
कपड़ा मकान, yeah.
हाँ,
That's how important
That's how
it is.
important it is. मैं दो बार बोला.
फूड का तो हो ही जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. घर देख पहले. खाएगा किधर बैठ के
Where
रस्ते
is the
पे.
kitchen, dude?
किचन नहीं रहेगा तो बनाएगा
बनाएगा
किधर
किधर?
तो इसके लिए शेल्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
Imagine there are people who think that खाना स्कूटर पे बनता है because of Zomato and Swiggy.
अरे बाप रे
These kids growing up thinking that.
ओह गॉड बाजू में पीछे स्टोव है
Yeah.
पीछे का सीट कन्वर्ट करके
स्टोव है. Like वो डब्बा है ना Zomato का उसमें बनता है चिकन बिरयानी.
बट as far as this shelter ka thing is concerned, I read that news you had forwarded me and it was
Yes.
hilarious. So Canada,
Yes.
the land of
Opportunity and promise and everything good.
open-mindedness.
Yeah.
Canada will try. It's the most liberal
Place.
vanguard place.
हाँ.
कि we will take the first steps towards having a better society.
Yeah.
And generally they take better, like good steps.
हाँ.
It's not that they misstep, but
Yeah.
एक scene हुआ उधर in terms of real estate.
Yes.
Okay? Canada might be a place where a lot of people would want to emigrate, but land is expensive everywhere.
Yeah.
The only land which is not expensive is where you're standing and there's nobody around. And that means you're
That is
lost.
land no one wants anyway.
Yeah. Like there's no point in standing in the middle of a desert and saying ये सब मेरा है. Okay bro, congratulations on the
Pick
desert.
the place where you want to be buried now. That is the next step.
नहीं रेती में लेट जा और ऊपर लेने को चालू कर. Let my land hug me now. ऐसा करके.
Yeah.
ऐसा टुक टुक टुक.
Yeah, but the Canada thing. So this is somewhere in Toronto, I believe.
Yeah. Tell me now.
So
Tell
what
the
happened
viewers.
So what happened is, as with any city, any place, you are looking for a nice, good house where you can raise a family and whatnot.
Around area nice, neighbors
Yes.
nice.
School
rastas-
रहेगा,
yeah,
hospital
good,
रहेगा, chill मारने के लिए
Facilities.
जगह रहेगा. वो मांगता है. You want township.
Township.
Around
Community.
हाँ.
Bro,
जहाँ
अच्छा
पे
community.
लोग
मारेगा
ऐसा
नहीं.
आके ऐसे चिल्लाए, like park वगैरह में. You want
Hi
all-
बोलेगा. Hi.
There is a nice community like that over there.
Oh,
near,
yes, of
I think near a lake or something over there.
Oh, nice.
So
Lakeview.
nice, beautiful place.
Huh.
Okay, and the house is almost 1/3
Okay.
of everywhere else. 1/3 the price you can buy a house.
Oh, so it's cheap.
It's
in
cheap.
terms of pricing, it's cheaper.
It's cheap.
With the lake.
1/3. Yeah,
Okay.
1/3.
All right.
But this community is a nudist community.
So, wait. Okay. Wait. Excuse me. So, nudist community
Yeah.
and houses are cheaper.
Yes.
Because it's a nudist community.
So they are a community that lives. They've been there
Nude.
for a very
हाँ,
long
हम लोग
time.
कपड़ा बोर हो गया.
हाँ. They have been there for quite a while.
हाँ.
ठीक है. So the thing is that you have to be a nudist over there.
हाँ, तो घर खरीदने. Oh.
You have to be a nudist.
This is genius.
Yeah.
This is genius. I'm starting this in Mumbai. We are starting something in Mumbai, dude. Because guess what happened? Noel, the nudist people
हाँ.
slowly started moving in, right?
हाँ.
And creating a community over years.
Possibly, yeah.
Correct?
Huh.
Now, the idea of a nudist colony is so against normal convention of society that they must have dropped the property prices down. क्योंकि सब कपड़ा वाला पब्लिक, अरे मैं बेटे को स्कूल बस पे छोड़ने को गया, ऐसा कपल नंगा चल के जा रहा है, ऐसा थोड़ी बायोलॉजी लेसन थोड़ी है, रास्ते पे हो रहा है.
Of course not.
बायोलॉजी एग्जाम है बेटा.
And imagine now people are pretending to be nudist to get that house.
How far we have come
तेरे को
as a
रोटी
species.
कपड़ा मकान मकान के लिए कपड़ा छोड़ना
पड़ा. इसके लिए बोला कपड़ा नहीं है, कपड़ा निकालो.
Dude, people are asking genuine questions like to the whoever is the real estate person over there कि can we be half nudist?
मैं चड्डी पहन के
चड्डी
पहन के मेरे को प्लीज चड्डी तो पहन ले दो.
And the thing is please
रियल एस्टेट, अरे तू घर खरीदने को जाएगा तो ऐसा मतलब तेरे को नंगा होके जाना पड़ेगा ना,
Yeah,
बिफोर
to
यू
just
बाय,
be like
टू प्रूव
कि मैं है. I am one of you.
No, just imagine you are going to buy a house. You are searching for a house. I am searching for a house. Somebody who's viewing, you might also be. Imagine to get the house, you prepare, no? कि अरे अपना पैसे का सब बराबर है. हाँ, we have. अगर कुछ पूछा तो बोलते हैं. लोन वोन नहीं है. We are willing to buy. We are financially stable. और इधर बोल रहे वो सवाल मतलब पहनी मत कुछ. अच्छा कपड़ा नहीं, पहनी मत कुछ. वॉच कुछ तो दिखाना पड़ेगा ना.
To show ना
to show कि मैं खरीद सकता हूँ करके. 1/3 तो 1/3.
No, they'll look at your body and be like, oh, this guy is like hygiene wise, like his skin is smooth, so products use करता है अच्छा. ठीक है, hair is groomed.
हाँ.
तो like manscaping करता है ये और
उल्टा न्यूडिस्ट कॉलोनी में तो और भी ग्रूमिंग लगेगा ना, बिकॉज कपड़ा छुपाता भी है.
हाँ.
अभी देख अपना थोड़ा मोटा है अपन दोनों. हाँ, तो अपन थोड़ा ओवर साइज टी शर्ट पहनेगा, ऐसा तो छुपाता है ना वो. बट इफ यू आर अ न्यूडिस्ट यू हैव टू बी इन शेप डूड.
हाँ.
न्यूडिस्ट कॉलोनी में आउट ऑफ शेप नहीं रह सकता है कोई. Is that also a caveat? You have to have six pack and a nudist.
No.
Like heaven, paradise.
Thank God, no. Greek gods के लिए नहीं है, nudist लोग के लिए. ठीक है. And you can eat vegetarian food and still be unhealthy.
What if really old nudist people?
That is actually the reason why the houses get empty.
Don't.
because the nudist community is like, acha, we are getting lower in number because our older members are dying. So we need new people anyway.
पता चला वो बुड्ढा बुड्ढे लोग को निकालता रहेगा. शीशी तुम लोग को न्यूड नहीं देखने का. हो गया 50 साल के बाद नंगा नहीं देख सकता है किसी को. प्लीज.
How has nothing cut through that flesh yet?
ऐसा eviction notice आता है. I am sorry you have aged.
You don't look good, bro.
You have reached the age where you need clothes again. Please vacate the premises.
This is not natural. Like, वाला चीज.
So the nudist colony brought down the prices, and now the real estate prices everywhere else in Toronto are sky high.
Yeah.
So people are willing to change their lifestyle to get a cheaper house. And that is the story everywhere. Everywhere. Hong Kong has something called
coffin flats.
Coffin flats. Not coffee, coffin.
Tabut. You need a place to live? Here's something named after what people are buried in.
अरे ऐसा कॉफिन फ्लैट खरीद के किसी को बताने को भी मजा नहीं आएगा. मैं घर खरीदा रे.
नहीं, तू मरने के लिए जगह खरीदा, जीने के लिए नहीं खरीदा है. It's that way. There's no life in there.
I will take just 2 jobs instead of then going to
and sleep in the offices alternate. Alternate days.
What a horrible thing to call a place of living, right? Coffin.
Yeah. There was one photo I saw of a coffin flat. It's a bed
We'll also show the photo also over here.
तो
You'll
वो
be
एक
able to see
दिखाएंगे
it.
बट लाइक इमेजिन हैरी पॉटर का क्लॉजेट ना इन द फर्स्ट
Oh, staircase का नीचे
staircase के
छोटू
नीचे,
सा,
yeah,
just little bit
that.
of लेटने का जगह, बस.
that is the coffin flat. That is it.
That
That's
is
your
why it's
life.
called a coffin flat.
Yeah.
लेटने का जगह मिलेगा, बस.
Imagine 3 week बाद तेरा ये knock करेगा बोलेगा भाड़ा दे and it has become a coffin for you.
It's
because
so
you're
small.
dead.
You have to sleep as if you're dead.
Yeah.
Just with the hands and legs
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that. The
No
moment they go
moving.
like this, you hit the walls.
No moving.
No moving.
Sorry, don't move.
You've bought space, but there isn't a lot of it.
No.
There isn't. It's enough for you to spend an eternity in, though. it is. It is enough for you to spend an eternity in.
You can stay there. You can't live.
Hey, look at this photo, man.
Yeah.
Right?
This really
This-
makes you.
Like
There are
just-
just holes where things go. You know,
it's
there's a
not even
commode.
that. Like, see, you can also see the photo. It's pretty disturbing.
Yeah.
It's a coffin flat is called a coffin flat because it's 20 square feet. That is it. That's
Yeah.
the size. 20 square feet. In this 20 square feet, you have the commode. And while
The
you're taking a
washing-
shit, there's a washing machine right in front of
Yeah.
you. So you can dump your laundry.
There is no.
And while taking a dump, you are planning your future meal because the stove is
Stove is there.
right here.
Oh God, dude, this is.
Like, 20 square feet is actually, yeah, the Pawan got it well. 20 square
Tapri ka
feet
shop, dude.
is as big as a tapri, a cigarette tapri that you see.
She baba.
Do you even understand? And that is a person's life. Now, this is the soul crushing thing.
Yeah, because you wake up and this is it.
Wouldn't you just feel trapped, Noel? You'll always feel like life ka walls are just closing in, man.
Yeah. Like this is the world saying we don't need you.
Yeah.
Your excess.
Yeah, it's
That
it's
is,
it's so small that the house can probably eat you because you are taking up space.
Huh. Like you can't tell if a person is left or no in that house.
You can't even buy
Anything-
extra things.
This is actually a problem in people who are living in Hong Kong and all.
Yeah.
They don't have each family
Space.
members and all. They can't have many
Things. We have to share everything
Yeah.
because where will you keep your individual stuff and my no, there's no
There is
individuality.
no individuality. Sorry.
There is no space, there is nothing. Bed पे है तीनों बैठ के एक ही प्रोग्राम रिमोट नहीं कुछ नहीं.
Sorry. रिमोट के लिए जगह नहीं है. We have need a TV of this.
There are some photos which you will see if you check out Hong Kong ka real estate. One flat is converted into 4 to 5 flats.
Yeah.
So there are, you open one door and then there are 3 doors. It's like a game show maze.
Yeah,
Who
yeah, yeah.
lives behind
Takeshi's
this door?
Castle.
हाँ, Takeshi Castle जैसा है.
This one flat which someone I know उनका building redevelopment में गया था. One flat which they had taken on rent. It seems the previous owners were 2 families living in the same flat.
Oh God.
ठीक है, it's somewhere big as this house which we are right now, and they used to separate by one curtain in the hall. There was one curtain, and each family gets either side.
Oh,
that was
damn.
the existence. This is Bombay.
You have brought us to Bombay. We have been all over the globe, Tokyo, Hong Kong. Let's come to our city, Mumbai.
Yes. Oh, sorry.
Please,
Sorry.
don't make that mistake.
Because
We apologize because movies have been shut because of it. Now that we are back to the city of Mumbai, of course there are some flats which look like coffin flats. We just don't call them that.
No.
तू देख ना मुंबई का रियल एस्टेट का कैटेगरीज कितना है यू हैव स्टार्टिंग विद द स्मॉलेस्ट स्लम एरिया स्लम्स में सबसे छोटा मकान
पत्रा का बना
which will again some slum you go to them you'll see 20 square feet 30 square feet रास्ते पे जो लगा रहता है हाईवे पे जो स्लम्स बाजू में आता है you can see into people's lives you can see 3 generations of
वो like ट्रेन वगैरह जाता है ना
the,
दादर के पास
the kids living in these slums they treat the highway like their playground ऐसा
Yeah,
सर्विस रोड पे
cricket वगैरह
बैडमिंटन खेल
खेलेगा.
रहा है
Yeah, yeah, बहुत होता है वो. Dude, I remember going through GTB Nagar ka Harbour line when you take.
हाँ
Okay, there is like a lady sharpening a knife on the railway track. I saw
She's
that.
using the
Yeah,
track.
because there's a Jhopadpatti next to it. She's sharpening a knife on the railway track.
at that moment she was in her own way the richest person
Yeah.
because nobody else
Yeah.
in the world no knife maker has ever used a train track to sharpen a knife
sing. Imagine they just like I see when I'm going through the train and all. I just see people just standing and having casual conversation between two train tracks who live over there. And
शांति
it's
है
there.
इधर.
Yeah, that is the open space.
इधर कोई सुन भी नहीं सकता है.
हाँ.
घर पे क्यों नहीं बात कर सकता है? मैं तेरे साथ बात कर रहा है, 10 जन सुन रहे हैं.
हाँ.
इधर ट्रेन का ट्रैक कोई क्या सुनेगा?
This reminds me. So I live near a Hiranandani building.
Okay, don't show off. We know you
I
got
live
money.
near the building.
That is also money.
No. I live near the building. there's a Mada colony also near. The building.
अच्छा.
Okay, which that colony का people brag. I live near.
नियर हिरन. कौन सा माड़ा? हीरानंदानी के नजदीक वाला? ऐसा नहीं. हीरानंदानी के छाव में पला बड़ा. समझा?
Posh छाव में.
पॉश छाव में पला बड़ा है मैं.
So उधर का जो garden में I have seen couples who don't live there, clearly don't live there,
हाँ.
come over there to solve domestic issues. not for privacy, to case, to make out and all. No, झगड़ा खत्म करने के लिए, क्योंकि झगड़ा खत्म नहीं होता उधर.
It makes sense, you know why? Because they always look at rich people and they are smiling.
Yeah.
Like, अरे ये लोग का लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है रे. ये लोग किधर जाके देख.
इधर solve होता
हाँ.
रहेगा problem.
And
ये
then
garden का हवा में है problem solve.
इधर कुछ है, ऐसा शांति है, मस्त झाड़ वाड़ है, इधर बैठ के बात करते हैं. अपना 40 स्क्वायर फीट में क्यों नहीं जम रहा है? Such a thing, no. Space is such. It's a part of human dignified life.
Yeah.
For good existence, you need space.
Yeah.
Especially in a city, just normal progression of life. You know, for you to think, have future prospects.
Yeah.
Something to look forward to.
Yeah, because imagine people think about obstacles in life and whatnot. In a 20 square feet flat or whatever, you feel like life has, like there's a wall in front of you always. So psychologically there is a wall in front of you.
यही है जिंदगी.
हाँ, यही wall है.
Obstruction, barricade है.
है.
नहीं हो सकता.
And they're paying rent for these walls.
And every year it's inflation.
Yeah, it's increasing.
But the wall is only there. Wall is not moving.
Wall is not moving.
ऐसा वाला wall move हो रहा है. ऐसा वाला नहीं हो रहा है. वो scene है यार. And that is just one category we have spoken about. Okay, when you're looking at the poorest strata of the society, how they have to deal with space. Of course, there are coffin flats and slums and chawls. Then you have the weird middle burgeon, huge fat real estate piece of the market, which is like middle class, loan won leke 30-40 साल EMI भरने को तैयारी करके. You know, the 1
this
crore.
Is probably your house.
हाँ.
Like, you know.
In Mumbai suburbs, the flats for which you are paying crores of rupees, more than a crore, okay, and a crore is not a small amount. वो निकलता ही कैसा गले से देगा. It's not even easy
There's
to say.
There's a reason why KBC has got so much value.
Yeah. You pay more than a crore and you get 500 square feet.
Yeah. You just
500 square feet, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK. कैसा bro?
It's more walls.
मतलब तू
less house, more walls.
तू half BHK, half bedroom मेरा जूता के लिए दिया क्या? मैं जूते को सुलाऊं क्या उधर? Half BHK, my
half your child's childhood. That is it.
500 square feet. So this is only going to get smaller.
Yeah.
Because as somebody had said, I don't remember the rapper or somebody had said, okay, real estate mogul जो invest किया वगैरह. नहीं, माइक टाइसन बोला था, sorry.
Oh,
माइक टाइसन बोला था कि किसी का साथ बात कर रहा था, फाइटर या कोई तो, और वो बोला कि मैं बहुत इन्वेस्ट किया है, घर वर सब खरीदा है इधर उधर. एक्शन ब्रॉन्सन के साथ बात कर रहा था वो. He is a rapper. तो
Action Bronson is huge guy who
he is a cool guy, dude. He's a rapper.
Brooklyn में वगैरह रहता है.
हाँ. Fuck that's delicious करता है वो.
I remember him because of his chicken parmesan recipe.
हाँ, exactly. बहुत भूख लगा है वो. तो उसके साथ बात कर रहा था and Action Bronson had said कि मैं इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है वो. तो माइक टाइसन ऐसा हाथ में जॉइंट लेके बोला, you need to cause there's only so much of it and God ain't making more of it. ऐसा करके बोला अरे डायबॉलिकल थॉट है रे तो कि हाँ ज्यादा जमीन तो नहीं बना रहा है, मुंबई एक्सपांड नहीं हो रहा है, तो फ्लैट्स और कम होएगा. मतलब इन फ्यूचर डू यू प्रेडिक्ट 1 crore rupees फॉर लाइक 200 स्क्वायर फीट. In Bandra, so it might be possible also. Suburbs which are more expensive.
Yeah.
So all of this inflation and price rise and people, you know, making all the builders have this asterisk mark promises कि no floor rise, ये इंस्टॉलमेंट में होएगा, हम तुमको ऑक्यूपेशन सर्टिफिकेट देंगे,
95 ये OC
हाँ, वो
guaranteed,
सब
possession in a
बहुत
month,
कुछ,
ये
बहुत
वो।
कैलकुलेशन, मतलब टू 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 ये नहीं चलेगा, टू 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 ये चलेगा, टू 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 इधर पैसा दे, ऐसा वाला है ना.
It's like a menu card.
And it is because of the demand and supply ratio. The demand and supply ratio is skewed. The demand is way higher
Yeah.
because there is population. The more people are coming in, migrating to the city, the space is only that much. It's not increasing. That's why the price of land is astronomical.
Yeah.
In redevelopment also जब भी जाता है,
Yeah.
चॉल्स जाता है, ये जाता है, they end up telling first only कि नीचे का floors तुम्हारा इतना उतना एरिया ही मिलेगा, because land is something that is so sought after, but like everything else, this will also have a fall drawback.
Yeah,
No, like
because
it's a bubble.
Like तू बढ़ेगा और एक पॉइंट के बाद पब्लिक खरीद ही नहीं पाएगा, तो तेरे को क्रैश करना ही पड़ेगा
क्योंकि अभी वो पॉइंट आ रहा है मेरे को लगता है. I have a couple of friends who have bought houses, and the moment they told me that कि मैं घर खरीदा, they were very happy because that novelty factor is there ना, ownership. I did you know the next step in life I've taken. Then I meet them after 6 months and then they are looking at that वो route 66 है ना, सीधा रास्ता है, कुछ टर्न नहीं है, ये EMI का रास्ता, सीधा चलते रहो बस.
घर जाने का मन ही नहीं करता है ब्रो.
A friend of mine was telling me, अरे bro मैं देखा मेरा EMI कटने को चालू हुआ, which is like 3/4 of the salary.
Yeah.
Okay, but शादी वादी हो गया है, चल खरीद. 32 years तक मैं EMI भरेगा गौरव. I'll be 60, around 60 when I'm the owner of this house. Legally.
Yeah. It's like you can only walk like 5 steps.
And that's why he's afraid to change jobs or shift or whatever also.
It clamps you down.
It roots you down.
Yeah. That's it.
And what if the market crashes? Because if he is facing 30 years ka अरे मैं कैसा, in a couple of say 5 years, a decade down the line, you will have people rejecting such prices. By not buying it only. मैं rent पे जिएगा and I'll be a bit free. I'll go to other places. I'll go to other cities. I'll be able to pursue other avenues of
तो
work.
वही हुआ ना, when the lockdown happened, चेन्नई में, मुंबई में एक भी फ्लैट बिका नहीं.
हाँ, और अभी इसके लिए जैसा थोड़ा बहुत खुलने को चालू हुआ, they are coming out with all sorts of work stopped.
क्या?
Work, the real estate का building work वगैरह whatnot also came to a standstill. They lost money. Some builders.
तो अभी that is why home loan का rate एकदम नीचे गिर गया.
कि खरीदो.
Please चालू करो.
In fact, that brings us to.
This is the thing that happened. Both our parents.
Both of our
ironically.
parents. No, and it makes sense also.
Yeah.
Because see, both of our parents, अपना generation का पहले, अपना माँ बाप का generation, they came to the city to make a life. है कि नहीं? And they wanted to. The idea was to own a part of the city. Let's make our house there. You know, they came here with dreams and they built their house. But the building of their house was so difficult.
Yeah.
तेरा माँ बाप भी लोन भरा है, मेरा भी भरा है. Lot of listeners, you must have seen your parents stressed out from time to time in childhood. There is no reason why your father shouted at you. Don't worry, it's not your fault.
It's the weird thing, no? How probably everyone has been told किसी का भी पैसा लेने का नहीं, किसी का भी पैसा लेने का नहीं. But everyone has a home loan.
Everyone has a home
Everyone
loan.
has a home loan.
किसी का तो पैसा लेना ही पड़ता है.
लेना ही पड़ता है.
घर के लिए तो लेना ही पड़ता है. And the real estate market went through such a burp because of the pandemic. They lost a lot of money. They are wanting to sell now. Nobody is willing to invest in a pandemic because it's all uncertain. What does the पैसे का value रहेगा क्या?
नहीं, पैसे का छोड़.
मैं जिंदा रहेगा
क्या? मैं जिंदा रहेगा, तू घर बांध के देगा क्या? Because that is another concern.
शिफ्टिंग के लिए कौन मदद करने को नहीं है ब्रो. बहुत कुछ है. रियल एस्टेट मार्केट का फुल सीन हो गया था. So of course in the pandemic a lot of people lost their jobs.
Business gaya.
Yes. So there are banks who have come up with a collection of data. A lot of houses were foreclosed.
मतलब उन लोग ने EMI नहीं भरा.
EMI भरने को नहीं हुआ. 2 साल पैंडेमिक चल रहा है. मस्त टाइम टेबल लंबा वाला लेके आया है. तो पब्लिक का जॉब गया है, पैसा नहीं आ रहा है. अंदर बिजनेसेस है तो बिजनेसेस बंद था. बिजनेसेस का रोलिंग कैश नहीं है. ये सब चीज़ की वजह से EMI भरने को नहीं हुआ. एंड द बैंक्स सीज्ड अपॉन द हाउसेस कि भाई तेरे को पैसा दिया, तू EMI नहीं भर रहा है, घर में रहा. And now they have collated all of this information in one place online so that they can sell. Because these are assets.
recover, huh?
Yeah,
To
these are
recover
assets.
the
So you have to recover the bad loans, you have to convert it into a good loan, you sell your asset. That is what they are planning to do. My mom came up to me and I never thought, she's a very sweet woman, very nice person. Okay, she's very sweet. But she came up to me and I never thought she would have such glee in somebody else's run of bad luck, misfortune. I never thought, because she came up to me कि 2-3 बार ऐसा घाई किया रे कि मतलब ये घर देख, वो घर देख, तेरे को मैं लिंक भेजा है, वो देख. तो मैं अरे क्या हो गया, इतना घाई गड़बड़. So she is telling, this is the right time to buy Gaurav.
It's always the right time. It's always the right time to
This is the right time to buy. देख पैंडेमिक खत्म हो रहा है और ये सब प्रॉपर्टीज भी ऑनलाइन मार्केट पे आया है, बैंक वैंक बेचने को देखेगा, अपने को अच्छा रेट मिलेगा. जैसा थोड़ा भी खुल गया ना वापस नॉनसेंस प्राइस.
अभी निकल,
अभी अपने को खरीदने का औकात है.
कोरोना.
हाँ.
तू कोरोना दूसरों के लिए. Is that mental?
Yeah.
Well, valid because I saw this some like बदलापुर typically I think 20 lakhs के आसपास रहता है 1 BHK वगैरह, 12 लाख में मिल रहा है.
हाँ.
तो it's like
खुशी में आएगा. ऐसा मतलब 30 लाख वगैरह कम हो रहा है रे सबर्ब्स में वगैरह, किधर 30 लाख बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट है ब्रो.
It's a steal.
Steal.
You go there, the first thing you do is grah shanti.
हाँ.
Because so much tension has been there in that house. इतना झगड़ा हुआ है.
भाई शांत करो. इधर हर वॉल में डर है, डर.
Sorry. आराम से.
मैं नहीं जाएगा छोड़ के.
It's not a haunted house. It's a scared house.
Yeah, it's a scare. Don't worry. मैं नहीं जाएगा. मैं रहेगा इधर.
तेरा फी भरेगा.
मेरा बच्चा लोग वगैरह सब इधर बड़ा होएगा, टेंशन नहीं.
You just put Mickey Mouse posters everywhere.
तू सिर्फ लीकेज बंद कर, ठीक है? तू सिर्फ लीकेज बंद कर.
Oh dude, that is
मैं
one
देगा.
thing dude, जो लीकेज का thing.
अरे इरिटेटिंग है dude. करोड़ों रुपया देके पानी आता है, क्या है ये? ऐसा मतलब वो
It's like, is this a house?
वो डाक देख के ऐसा क्या है ये, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है.
ये जब भी घर लिया था some 18 years or somewhere before, we saw like मेरा रूम में जो एक बेडरूम है उसमें बड़ा सा लीकेज चालू हो गया and it looked like a fountain because it started on top.
गरीब फाउंटेन.
Very गरीब fountain.
Very गरीब फाउंटेन.
It was so irritating.
Switch off the light and imagine. ऐसा टॉर्च लाइट मार के रिफ्लेक्शन देख रहा है, ग्लिसन हो रहा है.
Very
I also have a water feature in my house.
और नल खोलेगा पानी. Dude, I went to check out houses because I'm moving out for some time. The guy, one place I went, one house is bare. चूना वाला walls है उसका. There is no fan.
कुछ नहीं है.
कुछ नहीं है. और मेरे को
Unfurnished.
Unfurnished है. Unfurnished भी समझता है.
थोड़ा बहुत तो fixture.
You would murder someone in this house.
Full खाली.
Full खाली है. मतलब you know it's the floor also has like चूना and all.
हाँ.
Like वैसा type का. And very proudly he's telling me 2 घंटा पानी आता है सुबह. इतना प्राइड के साथ बोला वो 15,000 पर मंथ सर लगेगा. Like what?
2021 में तू मेरे को बोल रहा है 2 घंटा.
2 घंटा. This is a building.
24 घंटे में से 2 घंटा पानी आएगा.
Yeah.
और तू
टांकी वांकी कुछ नहीं.
अच्छा तुम ही लेके आओ टांकी, तुम भरो.
Oh, this was another fellow. I went to my house na, to his house. It's a semi-furnished house.
हाँ.
Semi-furnished means he has moved out of the house to a better house, bought new furniture. All his old furniture is in that house. And he's like, you can use whatever you want to use. And dude, I have arms now. I've been doing push-ups and I couldn't open a cabinet. इतना जाम हो गया था.
मतलब सब काम करा के लेना पड़ेगा तेरे को.
He was
फर्नीचर
telling me stuff like ये डोर जरा ये अटकता है लेकिन एक वो मिस्त्री को लेके आओ वो प्लेन मारेगा like and everything is like आप लेके
तुम करो.
like
हाँ.
3-4 things are like मैं क्यों लेके आओ. Like
मैं तेरे को भाड़ा देने को चालू कर रहा ब्रो. ये तेरा काम है, ये तेरा प्रॉपर्टी है, मेरा थोड़ी है.
And the cherry on the cake is he comes and tells me कि अच्छा पोछा मारते टाइम ना ज्यादा पानी मत डालना क्योंकि नीचे वाले फ्लैट में लीकेज होता है. अरे इधर जमीन भी नीचे जाता है क्या पेच होता है.
मतलब पानी मत वापर. हाँ पानी मत वापर. धूल मेरे तू धूल मेरे.
Like what is this guy?
ऐसा 2 बूंद भी डालेगा ना सर ये फ्लोर नहीं है, ये रेगिस्तान का रेती है.
quicksand.
सीधा नीचे जाता था.
अरे don't
चलते
do
वक्त
this
आराम से
spot.
चलो सर
भागो मत.
टिप्टो
Nuts, dude.
I hope all of our fortunes change as far as real estate is concerned.
Just everybody write if you have any place on rent ready where I can move.
Yeah.
just listing डाल दो. And like the video.
2 घंटे से ज्यादा आने दो पानी थोड़ा भाई
वो वाला
सब.
listing. Look, I've never known what it's like to be a fan of something.
A fan, a big like
a big die-hard fan of anything.
like first day first show.
Yeah,
I'll go
of
and watch.
movies. No,
Yeah.
I've never been that.
I'll
I
wait.
look at I'll wait.
I'll
क्योंकि
wait.
टिकट सस्ता होएगा.
हाँ.
क्राउड नहीं रहेगा और
बराबर.
एक्चुअली मालूम पड़ेगा कि अच्छा चीज है कि नहीं.
Correct.
ठीक है.
Feedback भी मिल जाता है.
Yeah.
Correct.
This is what my parents taught me about everything.
Being a fan is demanding.
Yeah,
Very demanding.
you have to live someone else's, be part of someone else's dream.
And they don't even know it.
No,
They don't know.
you are part of the crowd they see in their dreams.
हाँ.
You know what
You're
I
a
mean?
part of the
You're
crowd.
an extra ka extra. Okay, and sometimes some fans make it to the next level. Like this
अरे
guy
बाप
did.
रे.
Yeah.
अरे there have been
Mad
many
fans.
stories of different mad
Yeah,
fans. Huh?
like Sachin ka fan.
Sachin fans, yes, body paint. It worked for him.
Yeah.
Okay, he did
He became-
madness.
Thank God Instagram
He
came.
used creativity, but it worked for
It
him.
worked.
He got free tickets.
Yes.
तू
for
आ
evidence. तू आ.
तू आ.
I- जब तक तू बोलेगा नहीं सिक्स मारने को मैं
तेरे को
मारेगा
देख के
नहीं.
मैं six मारेगा.
Yeah.
With
तेरे
movies-
तरफ मारेगा.
With movies, it happens.
Yeah.
I remember Rajesh Khanna ka time se like fans have been mad.
Impala.
Love letter.
Yeah.
in
खून से
blood.
लिखा हुआ.
Yeah, all of that.
All
mad,
that
mad shit.
Yes.
Stalkers, some fans they take it to the next level by becoming stalkers. You know,
Of
they
this, yeah.
stalk the pop star, yeah. You know, जो भी actor actress वगैरह रहेगा घर के बाहर.
So there's this guy though. There's this fan who crossed the limit. Okay. Or rather, I can't really process what happened. So Prabhas is this big actor in the south who we all know from Bahubali, right?
Yeah, and South stars are तो मतलब
Hero
fan
sir.
following मतलब.
They are
और
called
ये,
hero sir.
ये दूध स्नान
Yeah,
करता है
yeah.
पोस्टर का.
सब
नारियल
करेगा.
40 feet.
Yeah.
Rajinikanth I have seen 40
Has
feet.
to be.
Has
you
to
know,
be.
He has to become God.
They,
Like, it
yeah,
has
they
to
are
be.
god level.
Yes.
Yeah, true.
This Prabhas का नया movie is coming called Radhe Shyam.
Oh,
ठीक है.
Bahubali. guy.
Bahubali का actor का.
हाँ.
Apparently, one of his friends from fans from Hyderabad or somewhere from Andhra.
Okay.
Has committed suicide because the updates of this movie were late. Like he was saying that abhi tak you have not updated about when this movie is releasing, so I am killing myself.
मतलब he ran out of patience.
Yeah.
So he ended life.
Yes.
मतलब मेरे को फ्यूचर में भी देखने मिलेगा इसका खुशी नहीं.
नहीं.
आज क्यों नहीं?
News बता तू. Update दे. It's
Oh
like
my
Prabhas
God.
didn't text him the trailer. That is why he killed himself.
Oh my
And he wrote in his trailer.
This is another level of fandom यार.
Yes.
मतलब मूवी आ रहा है इतना उतावला हो गया मैं
हाँ.
कि मेरे को तू अपडेट दे कभी आएगा.
हाँ. आ जा रहा है क्या? आ जा रहा है क्या?
So
आ जा
he
रहा है. That's it.
committed suicide.
Yes. And he wrote like his suicide letter had.
मतलब this is the see you feel empathy for fans no sometimes.
Yeah.
Like you see a crowd outside Amitabh's house or Shah Rukh Khan's house, you empathize with अरे I understand your love is you know है तेरे को लग रहा है कि अरे
तू एक दिन बर्थडे का दिन पे आया वगैरह. I understand
कि
that.
you are happy that this person exists.
Yeah.
अरे शाहरुख thank you Amitabh
Yeah,
thank you
yeah,
sir अरे you know you made my life a bit better. You know they come with that.
Best
and you
thing,
you empathize for them because it's crowded. You have to you know trampling धक्का मुक्की वगैरह आराम से आराम
क्या
से
तू अपना जिंदगी से ऑफ लेके आ रहा है
हाँ
वगैरह,
आराम
all
से
that
ऐसा
stuff,
you
हाँ.
empathize इधर मेरे को
नहीं. You can't. It's not even like movie खराब था. ठीक है.
a very valid point you know brought up by a producer again. As far as even these fans who crowd, who stand outside houses, you know, with Michael Jackson waving the baby,
हाँ.
or they go to concerts,
हाँ.
it's because you are seeing the person physically.
Yeah, he's right there.
Right? कि, अरे शाहरुख.
Yeah. I can. वो मेरी तरफ देखा शायद.
हाँ.
I think he pointed at me. He said.
वो मेरा हाय देखा.
और तेरे बाजू 50 लोग हैं.
मगर खुशी मिलता है. आप लोग हाय कह रहे हैं.
मेरे मन में मेरा हाय हो गया. टिकट वसूल.
मेरा दिमाग में 50 लोग एडिट किए हैं. इधर सिर्फ मैं और वो है. It is that
कनेक्शन है.
हाँ, कनेक्शन है अपना. लव है रे.
तू नहीं समझेगा.
मेरा वॉलपेपर है रे वो. क्या तू? मेरा डीपी भी वो है. मेरा बेटी का डीपी भी वो है. इट्स फैमिली लव. जनरेशनल फैंडम.
हम लोग का फैमिली का मेंबर है वो. दिवाली के टाइम पे एक टेबल हम लोग एक ऐसा चेयर एम्प्टी चेयर रखते हैं कि आएगा वो
एंड दैट इज बिकॉज यू कैन सी हिम सो यू फील देयर इज अ सेंस ऑफ सैटिस्फैक्शन कि आई सॉ माय गाय.
Yeah.
You know, my guy. Here this fellow committed suicide for a movie.
Yeah.
And that also not that the movie did the movie get cancelled?
No, nothing.
Like did the maker say कि नहीं बना रहा है?
Here's the weird part. The trailer is out.
अरे
It's out. They released the trailer. They put countless teasers. Prabhas has been like promoting like hell.
South industry marketing is mad on internet.
It's way ahead.
Social media,
yeah.
Because the stardom is such that the moment an actor, lead Prabhas will go Insta live and say, "Here is the teaser, khatam."
हाँ, internet is stopped.
Instagram का office servers में अरे server overload हो रहा है.
क्या हो गया?
Now, how big of a fan is this guy if he did not even know the teaser is out?
No.
मतलब of course the moment teaser is out fan pages share है कि नहीं? सब fan communities जो online रहता है Facebook group वगैरह they all share. What if he killed himself just 1 hour before the teaser drop? Just 1 hour. Just अरे 60 minutes upload हो रहा है.
Like his last thing he saw was the notification come on his phone. Prabhas is live.
अरे first scene.
And the worst part is Prabhas is playing a Jyotish in this dude. तेरा लाइफ खत्म.
लाइफ राशि. अरे रे फर्स्ट सीन देख कैसा उकने को अरे निकाल पॉइजन निकाल.
नहीं होता है.
आया ट्रेलर.
I was just thinking, dude, like then that means he's like on a like जैसे मूवी का डेवलपमेंट साइकिल होता है.
हॉस्पिटल में जाके ये लाइव जाना. I was going to kill myself, but I finally saw the trailer and it was so good.
Go watch it.
It brought me back to life. I have a new purpose. I live.
I hope they're telling me by the time the movie comes out, I will be all fine.
Please like, share and subscribe. बीच में नर्स आके she's just throwing the phone. गधा. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब. तेरा बिल शेयर कर सब लोग.
अभी प्रभास बिल पे नहीं करेगा.
But poor fellow, he did not even. I don't want to call him a poor fellow.
No, he isn't.
He is an idiot.
Yeah.
To have killed himself over a teaser. I get you're a fan, man, but you have other things to live for.
First DM him at least. At least DM.
Bro, कब आ रहा है? नक्की बता. Ask another fan. You're a fan, no?
Yeah.
You are part of communities online. Ask them कभी आ रहा है, bro. Don't kill yourself. You know what? I think there was some other reason, and he's using this reason because the other reason is too bad.
Too shameful.
It's too embarrassing.
Too embarrassing.
So he's like, नहीं ये तो नहीं बता सकता मैं. Movie क्यों नहीं आया? मार डालेगा. It does not fit into the logical realm of anything.
No.
You try to give some leeway, maybe to understand कि क्या चलता रहेगा इसका दिमाग में कि ये step लिया. You know, this is not a good reason.
No.
मूवी टीजर डिड नॉट ड्रॉप. ब्रो बना रहा है ना, चिल.
हाँ, I mean वो जा रहा है शूटिंग के लिए.
और इतना घाई क्यों कर रहा है? कोविड चल रहा है, थिएटर वगैरह कोई जगह पे बंद है. तू देख पाएगा जब खुलेगा.
तेरे लिए बना रहा है.
तेरे लिए बना रहा है, मेरे लिए. प्रभास खुद के लिए थोड़ी बना रहा है. राधेश्याम इज मेकिंग इट फॉर यू गाइस ओनली. बी अलाइव टू वॉच इट एटलीस्ट.
उसका बेचारा इतना मेहनत किया, फैंस कमाया, और अब फैंस खुद ही मर रहे हैं.
how will a big actor like Prabhas even react to this story, man?
Yeah.
How will he react? His PA secretary comes and tells, sir, please stay off the internet. Don't say anything, but there is news, sir, that one of your fans has, committed suicide. He'll be like, Arey, but we are making it's in edit. It is in edit. Yeah. We are making sound. We are mixing sound. Wait. They're like, no, sir, he knew. He was just irritated कि ट्रेलर क्यों नहीं आया. मतलब ये फैन लोग को ना, they want to be on the set. मेरे को देखते वक्त दिखने गए. तू बना रहा है ना, तभी I want to see.
Prabhas in the morning. You are late.
हाँ. Please go.
And
sir,
shoot.
Don't sleep, sir. Don't sleep.
No.
Don't sleep. I'll kill myself. I'll kill myself. Do 24-hour schedule, sir. Don't. No.
Fast,
No
fast,
break.
fast,
No break.
fast.
Eat fast. No lunch break, sir. No lunch break.
Like Prabhas is eating food and this guy is like sleeping pills in his hand. Eat fast, otherwise I will eat this.
Sir, 10 people standing on terrace, sir. Get up. Get up.
You have to do this stunt quickly now.
What pressure is this? My God, this is what I feel. Movies are such a escape from reality. But some people want to escape reality so much.
Altogether, yeah.
That it replaces reality.
Huh.
That people think movies, that is what is.
Like it's almost like he was half expecting Prabhas to come and save him.
Yeah.
In his head it was like, abhi aayega.
Yeah.
Abhi trailer ne akka ka akka Prabhas aayega mere ko bachane ko. But it didn't happen.
Funeral pe aayega. This
He
is
will be crying. Nange
and
pav
there are
aayega,
some community pages who posted, who retweeted or whatever.
On the news they reacted.
Reacted. Fan pages of Prabhas have reacted saying, we'll miss you.
You didn't know him.
And don't say this.
Yeah, it's very bad.
It's an incentive to, I get into the limelight, cool. I get to show I am the biggest fan, the most craziest. I loved you the most. ये दिखाने को पब्लिक क्या क्या नहीं करता है.
And this is because of movies, no?
हाँ.
कि movies में मैं जान देगा, मैं ये देगा, exaggeration वाला
मैं
part
प्यार
है.
दिखाने के लिए टेरेस का वॉल पे चल के दिखाएगा.
देख मैं
तेरे लिए तूने अगर हाँ नहीं कहा तो अरे कूद भड़वे.
रोज आके ये बात करता रहता है.
But please, as far as this is definitely not the right step in any alternate dimension. Be a fan, chill, enjoy the art, and live your life.
Yeah.
All right? That's it.
Chal, take care.
End of episode 22. Be safe, wear a mask,
And
watch, like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
Papa.